Everyone, welcome back to BK's Creations. Today I am going to show you two activities that I've been working with the kids, and this is something that helps them remember certain definitions, and it also makes the activity a little more fun for them to remember. Okay, so my first activity will be working with patterns. Okay, the first thing you need to ask them is, what is a pattern? And of course, some of the kids are going to try to guess. But what I usually like to tell them is that a pattern is a repetition of the same thing. And again, you ask them, what is a pattern? And they should be able to say, a pattern is a repetition of the same thing. Now, one activity that you can work with them for patterns is using the cubes. You can use A-B pattern, which is blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. And of course, you're going to demonstrate first pattern, and then you're going to ask them. You can take them away and then ask them, okay, I have blue and I have green. What is next? And they should be able to say blue. What's next? Green. What's next? Blue, and so forth. Now, with these cubes, you can do A, B, C pattern, or like we just did, A, B pattern. Okay? They love working with the cubes. I know they want to go ahead and build different things. Let them, but at least try to encourage and introduce what is patterns. Okay? Now, the next activity is working with syllables. We're working with syllables right now, okay? So a definition that I like for the kids to remember is a syllable is a word cut into pieces. And I don't know if some of you have been looking or noticing when your kids say a syllable is a word cut into pieces. And that's the way I go because it's something fun. They're moving their hands, and it reminds them that a syllable is a word cut into pieces. Now, my first word that I'm going to go ahead and do is the word banana. Okay? So what I like doing is I tell them to take their arm out, and we are going to count the syllables by moving our fingers. We're going to take out our arm, we're going to move our fingers, and each time we cut the word, we are going to bring down a finger. Okay? For instance, banana. Ba-na-na. You see how I bring 3 fingers? Ba-na-na. Then I tell them, check your work. Ba-na-na. So they do it with their arm, and then they check their work by clapping it. Another word, water. 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 And again, make sure that before you even do the activity, ask them, what is the definition? What is a syllable? And they should be able to tell you a syllable is a word cut into pieces. What is a pattern? A pattern is a repetition of the same thing. You may think that it's sometimes maybe that they're not going to get it or that it's just too much for them. But believe me, the more vocabulary, the more you introduce to them, the more they like it and they do pay attention. And believe it or not, it stays with them. I see it in the classroom. Remember, everything that I show you is not because I've done it 1 time, 2 times. I've done it for many years, and it works. Okay? So these are 2 activities for teachers, for teacher assistants, for my parents. Thank you for watching, parents, and I'll keep you posted on more videos to come, okay? Thank you. Bye.